Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin With The Colemans, and if you saw one of our most recent videos, you know I just put a brand new window in the back of our RV, and it did not go so well. So check that video out to see what happened. But now that we've got things fixed and it's looking beautiful and we've got this fantastic access to extra air and flow, we also have the heat that window is providing to our rig. So we need to put a blind up to cover things up so that we can close it. And of course, you do need some privacy in the bathroom once in a while. I've got a new RecPro blackout blind. RecPro provided it to us, but they have no control over our content, and I want to show you how easy it is to install one of these things. All I really need is a screwdriver and the materials that came with the blind. Let's get started. Depending on the width of your blind, you're going to get 2 or 3 of these brackets. This one is a little bit wider, so we do have 3 brackets. So one needs to go in the middle and then one on each end. Now, a lot of times you want to try to use a level to do this. The problem is if the RV is not perfectly level, a level isn't going to help you. So you need to go off of something that is level and that you know is going to be an accurate measurement. So either measuring from the ceiling down to the place where you want to put your blind, or I'm just going to use the top frame of the window to be my measuring guide. This bracket has a hooked end and a not hooked end. The hook goes at the bottom, and that's going to allow you to squeeze to put the blind in place. So I do want this just a slight 1/8 of an inch above the frame, so I've got room to make that squeeze. And I'm going to put that first one right here. I don't want to put it in the exact center because this would then throw it off. So I'm going to put it just off center a little bit. I know that my window has a backer right above it, so I'm screwing into that wood so I'm completely and totally secure. The screws that came with the blind are the exact right length to go in and not come out on the other side of the wall. Now I need to put in 2 more and I'm all done. Now, in order to install the actual blind, all I have to do is set this into the frame, push up, and snap it in place. There you go. It really is as easy as that. The whole project took me less than 5 minutes. And we've now got all the privacy we want. And when we want to look out and see what's going on in the campground, we can check it out. Make sure that you use the coupon code Colemans for 5% off your order and to let RecPro know that you heard about them from us. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow these playlists for all of our mods and helpful hints, and we hope to see you out on the road for your next adventure.